Hey everybody, this is Jason Johnston here at the University of Kentucky, and just with a quick video about how to clean up your messy background virtually in Zoom. Backgrounds sometimes can be super distracting, or maybe you're Zooming from home. You don't really want your students seeing the back of your living room or whatever. This is one way to quickly do it. It's not perfect, but it does work at least a little bit. All you do is simply this. Under the stop, where it says stop video, you'll see a little up arrow right there. You click on choose virtual background. It will go right to this page here. It'll show a preview of your screen as long as your screen is unmuted. And then you can select from various backgrounds. Now, I've actually used this to add some images and short videos to use as video backgrounds. You can do that yourself. You can look at some backgrounds maybe in online HD backgrounds or whatever to add in, or you can select from a couple of the standard ones that Zoom has. This is one of my old messy office. Here's one where it looks like I'm in some sort of control area. Or you can do some of the kind of the fun ones. Here I am on Tatooine. It's a background, moving background, Northern Lights. That might be just a little bit more distracting than even having the messy background. Or you can do what I've done, is that this doesn't look like a background, but it actually is a picture of my blank wall here in my office. Or I could select another one that's just a blank wall. It's pretty good. I'm going to close out of here and you can see it's not bad, but you can see there's a little bit of weirdness that happens around my head. Where the giveaway really happens is when you start putting your hand up and if you wave or anything like that. But maybe it's better than showing the background that you currently have. Again, you can switch back between this and showing a virtual background like that. Anyways, that's just a quick tip. Hope this works for you. Let me know if you have any questions down below.